Hi. What is the internet like better than cats, bacon, and Bill Murray?
Lists.
And what's better than lists?
Little Debbie snack cakes.
This isn't going to be like one of those lists you see on Elite Feed or Buzz Daily. We did real research. Over 70,000 hours of research to bring you the top 5 Little Debbie snack cakes of all time that are currently available. Number 5, the strawberry shortcake. Is that what it's called? Strawberry shortcake rolls. Okay.
Are you just doing that and then we'll talk about it? Or like, are you?
Should I handle it? Do you have any jokes for it?
I don't know how many jokes.
I don't have any jokes for it.
No, that's what I mean. Like,
Okay.
does it need to have a joke?
No.
Number 3, fudge rounds. They're good. They're like really good. Number 2, cream pies. Aren't many things on this planet better than a good cream pie.
An oatmeal cream pie? Sure. Put them in the fridge. And number 1, and this shouldn't be a shock to anyone unless you're a sucker, zebra cakes. The most delicious, nutritious, fantabulous snack cake that's ever lived. AKA the Michael Jordan of snack cakes. Your airness. So there it is. The top 5 greatest Little Debbie snack cakes of all time that are currently in production. We did a lot of research, so this is the list. If you disagree with anything we said, leave a comment below so everyone can make fun of you. Signing off, us. Oh, Star Crunch is number 4.